Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we are mixing the color of green. Now we mixing green color. Subscribe to our channel. The color of green. And first we coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. We again use the color of green. Now we are using the color of green, and the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Green color. Now we are using the color of green. And the next one is L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is T. T for teacher. And now we are coloring the alphabet of U. U for umbrella. V for van. And the next one is W. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Now we are mixing green color. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we are coloring the alphabet of A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.